Florence Nightingale. Many know her as the Lady with the Lamp, the mother of modern nursing, an extraordinary lady that revolutionized the world of healthcare for the next century. However, only few now know the events that transpired to make her what she was then. We now explore the life that was Florence Nightingale. Florence Nightingale grew up to a rich and wealthy family. Her family was a well-connected British family at the Columbia-Florence Grand Duchy of Tuscany. She was given the name Florence because she was born in Florence, Italy on the 12th of May 1820. Her father was a good religious man. In those days, slavery was still common, and her father was one of those who worked hard to put an end to it. Florence grew very close to her father, and her father treated her like his own friend and companion. He taught her how to become a refined young lady, and he also taught her how to speak the Greek, Italian, Latin, French, and German languages. His father also educated her on history, philosophy, and mathematics.
Good morning, Papa. You seem to have risen late today.
Indeed, I have, my little angel. I was working late last night, finishing the papers on my anti-slavery campaign. Yeah.
What's slavery, Papa?
It's an evil thing that must be stopped. No one has the right to own another free man and force him to work without pay.
Indeed, slavery sounds so cruel, Papa. Do you like my embroidery, Papa?
Indeed, it is beautiful. But have you done the schoolwork I gave you?
Yes, Papa.
Good. And what have you learned today?
That it is good to be honest and truthful. And that serving others and working hard are also good as well. In fact, I think I would like to work in a hospital when I grow up.
Ho 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 ho! You perfectly know that women can never become doctors in this country, Florence. Ho ho!
Who said to be doctor, Father? I want to become a nurse.
What the hell? Do you know what you're saying? Don't be silly!